Hey, what is going on, guys? Mark is here back as again with another video, and today we wrecked the go-kart. The go-kart is destroyed, at least the roll cages. The drive line is fine. But my little brother decided to ride it, and I said, fine, whatever, but here's 2 rules to follow. Number 1, don't slam the gas, roll on, roll off. Of course, I explained it much more in detail and for an 11-year-old to comprehend a little bit better, but that's the gist. And I also said, if I push you or slap you, to let go of everything and I'll take control. And he followed neither of those rules. He came into a corner, a little bit hot, but it would have been fine. Put the steering full lock left, which is fine, and we were coming out of it, and then he slammed onto the gas. And because it's left-wheel drive, left-wheel drive, when you're on the gas, the drive wheel makes you want to turn right because it's the wheel that's accelerating, so it makes you want to turn right. But the left wheels are trying to turn left, so they cancel each other. And under full throttle, with full turn left, you just go in a straight line. So when you're headed for an obstacle, you run right into it, even though your wheels were at full left. And I was trying to shove him and kick him and try and take control of the cart, but his fight or flight response kicked in and he froze because it's fight or flight or freeze, but no one ever says that. Look it up. We hit a big old steel trailer for a semi, and there it is. We had to drag it home about half a mile because the driveline is all operational, but the way that the roll cage bent upwards, the steering does not move. You cannot turn right at all. It is stuck full left. You see how the other one, black bar comes straight out. On this one, it bends up almost instantly. We bent the bolt that the roll cage attaches to here. I don't know how well I can show it, but there you can kind of see it there. The bolt ends right there, and it's probably at least a 30-degree angle right there. Everything else is fine. I think the cart itself is actually fine, but we'll have to replace or try and repair this roll cage, but it's really screwed up. I don't know if we're going to be able to fix it. We might have to replace the roll cage or just take off the roll cage entirely. I don't know. Might have to build a new roll cage. I have no idea, but that's it for this video. Really, I just wanted to show that we wrecked it. It dinked my shin. Shin's a little bit tender. But yeah, me and him are fine other than my shin because I put my foot out to try and stop it. I was in the passenger seat, he was driving, and I put my foot up because I knew we weren't going to stop because he had his foot mashed on the pedal the entire way to the thing, and I tried to kick his foot, but I couldn't kick it off the pedal, so I put my foot up to brace, and I think that the roll cage, when it smacked back, hit my shin or something like that. I have no idea what actually happened because it was so fast, but yeah, we wrecked it. It's gonna have a lot of repairs. I have no idea how much one of these roll cages costs. This is an older go-kart from Manco, so I don't think we can find a replacement roll cage. So if we can't fix this one, we'll either have to go without one, which is not a great idea, or we'll have to try and fabricate one ourselves, which is not going to go very well. But thank you for watching, you beautiful people. I just wanted to update everybody on how we wrecked the go-kart and how it's unrideable now. Thanks, and bye-bye.